Give your pre-loved clothes a second life and help your community become a treasure trove of possibilities with a simple trip to Goodwill. First things first, what exactly can you donate? Goodwill happily accepts gently used clothing for men, women, and children. Think shirts, pants, dresses, skirts, jackets, and coats. Don't stop at just clothes. They also welcome shoes in good condition, belts, purses, hats, scarves, and even jewelry. Accessories are a fantastic way to complete an outfit and are always appreciated. Now, let's talk about the donation process, which is super straightforward. Locate your nearest Goodwill donation center. Many have convenient outdoor drop-off points or indoor processing areas. Before you head out, pack your donations in sturdy bags or boxes. This helps keep everything organized and protected during transport. Avoid dropping off items in plastic grocery bags if possible, as they can easily tear. When you arrive, simply bring your bags or boxes to the designated drop-off area. A friendly Goodwill team member will be there to assist you, take your donations, and provide you with a receipt. And here's a great perk. You can get a tax deduction for your donations when you drop off your items. Be sure to ask for a receipt. This receipt details the type and quantity of items you've donated, which you can then use when filing your taxes. Donating to Goodwill is a win-win. You declutter your home, give valuable items a new purpose, and support Goodwill's mission of empowering individuals and families through job training, education, and community programs. So gather those items and make a difference today.